Let's see how we can use Echo Mirage for traffic analysis of DVTA application. Let's quickly search for Echo Mirage and let's click on this and it should open Echo Mirage for us. And let's quickly delete this CSV file that we have uploaded earlier just so we can upload a new copy again. And let's also go back to DVTA application here and let's log in to DVTA using the administrator's credentials, admin123, and let's click login. Nice, now we have logged in, and when we click on this backup data to FTP server, we want to be able to see what's going on using Echo Mirage. So let's quickly go to this process, and before that let's see what are the rules we have here. We can actually do the configuration by going to options and hook options. I'm not going to change anything as of now. Let's quickly go to rules and new rule, direction. You can actually choose inbound and outbound traffic, which one you want to intercept here. I'm going to choose both. And address, I want to intercept traffic going back and forth to any address, but I want to see the traffic of port 21 only. Let's click on intercept and let's click OK. Nice. Now here are the rules for us. Now we are going to intercept all the traffic that's going inbound and outbound, and we are going to intercept the traffic of port 21 only. Now let's go to process and click on inject, and we are going to see all the processes that are running on this machine, and what we are interested in is dvta.exe. So let's figure out dvta.exe and inject into the process. I selected dvta.exe here and let's click OK, and let's go to traffic log tab here. If you see here, Echo Mirage says that it has injected into dvta.exe. So let's quickly click on backup data to FTP server button here, and if you see there is some traffic being shown here. We are not interested in this. Let's click OK. Click OK again. Looks like DVTA is crashed. Let's restart it again and let's give a double click. Let's log into this once again, admin123, click login, and let's just inject into the process once again, and let's click on backup data to FTP server. And I just clicked on disable rule and I'm just clicking OK here. If you see there is response coming from FileZilla server, let's click OK once again, and notice that the username is being sent to the FTP server. Let's click OK, and the response from FTP server says that password required for DVTA. Okay, let's click OK, and there you go. The password can be seen here. The DVTA client is sending its password to the FTP server and you are logged in. And if you still observe the traffic, you should see some file being uploaded onto the FTP server. There you go. We just saw that FTP admin.csv is being uploaded there. And if you see the response, successfully transferred FTP admin.csv. And we can actually find that on the desktop. This FTP-admin.csv file was deleted earlier, but it uploaded again. Let's do an example of intercepting and tampering the traffic. So I'm just closing everything once so we can restart everything from scratch. Let's first start Echo Mirage once again. And let's take a look at the rules. This time I only want to see the outbound traffic. I don't want to see the inbound traffic anymore. And my rule for port 21 still remains the same. So let's now open up dvta.exe once again. And let's log in to administrator's account, admin123, and click login. And now let's inject into this process. Select dvta and let's go to traffic log and click on backup data to FTP server. Let's quickly click OK. Let's click OK once again. And let's change this A to B. So we are now saying that the user is dvtb, not dvta. So let's click OK, and we should get password required for dvtb. Let's click OK, and the password is password, and it says login or password incorrect. This is because the username is tampered and then the username doesn't exist on the server. And this is how you can tamper the traffic using Echo Mirage. So this is a quick example of how we can use Echo Mirage for thick client traffic interception. In the next video, we are going to see MITM relay in combination with Burp Suite to intercept non-HTTP traffic.